Welcome to Long Days Journal in beautiful Arizona, where the weather this time of year is so nice. I spend so much time doing outdoor activities that I almost don't want to come inside and journal. The coyotes are out, the birds are out, and even the wild horses. But come sunset, why don't you join me inside where I'm going to make a no-sew tab journal that uses at least a dozen of the Mad Paper Crush digital collections. Ever hear of a no-sew tab binding junk journal? How about a flow book or an art supply book? Well, here's my attempt at a mashup of all three. It's inspired by Mad Paper Crush's annual assemblages or assemblages, in which Sharon compiles her body of work for a given year. And here I've compiled some 96 different digital printouts from her collections. And I'll tell you, the numbers are kind of staggering and not for the faint of heart. I'll put them below. But Sharon does a beautiful job in providing a tutorial on how to actually construct this journal, and I will link that for you below as well. For the tabs themselves, I do use the washi tape collections from Mad Paper Crush, which I print out on sticker paper. So in my version, I devoted a lot of thought into how to organize the pages in what is effectively one giant signature. Did I want to organize by collection, by theme, by color, or take a more traditional approach by alternating the types of paper and repeating that organization or that order multiple times. The cover itself is made from an old Reader's Digest compendium, and the spine is covered with some denim selvage. Why do I call it a flow journal or an art book? I feel that it's constructed in a way that if I see a print or a page that I want to adapt for another purpose or repurpose in another journal, I can easily cut it free without destroying the integrity of the binding. And the Mad Paper Crush collection of digitals also includes a variety of prints that you can use as pockets and tuck spots. And there's a lot of ephemera that you can stuff into these pockets, which you can move around or pull out and share or give away or put in another journal as the mood strikes you. So here's my flip through, and I hope you'll join me on this journey, and I hope you enjoy.